Hi my friend, I just want to show you how I install this bricks and concrete paver. So since this paver is too thick, so I think this it's about 100 mil. So I dug out the hole and then I have to bury it to get the level I need. So I'll show you how I do it. So this is I installed it that way and then put the spacer on that side and then spacer on this side as well. So this spacer is 16 mil. So make it level and put some soil underneath to make it level, and then put this heavy bricks or paver, and put another spacer and then put some soil around. That's the simple presentation how I put this bricks and concrete paver, or paving I mean. It's not too easy. You need to dig it and then level it so that you can achieve the proper slope. You need to check the level across so that you can check the slope, and then after that, if everything finished, I'm going to put a concrete on this gap here to make more nicely. Alright, I just want to show you how I do it. Thank you so much, and stay with me, and God bless. Bye for now.